guys, my name is Evie. This is Pokemon News. Today, as you can see, Charmander's not here because he's been fired by, our executive manager. Our manager's kind of a little, but, you know, they have a really fucking hard job. What do you think, Torchic? I don't know. Our executive manager is kind of a, but I don't think he's that much of a, and, well, he does have a really hard fucking job, but, he has to sit at that office all day, sweating his butt off. I think Bunnelby would have a better time if he wasn't, but, you gotta do what you gotta do, and, yeah, that's my thoughts. Well, what do you think, Mega Lucario? Hello, you there? Because we don't need his opinions. Anyways, this time we're going to have two guests. Please give a warm welcome to Pikachu and Raichu for being, for being yellow and orange, I guess. Is it a burn? Is it a plane? What the heck was... Hey guys, I just wanted to, crash your party a little bit. My name is Fletchling. I'm from the 6th generation. I get all the glory because I evolve into Talonflame. And Fletchling, technically, you evolve into... What the hell is that ugly thing? Hey, I come here for 10,000... can come here for 10,000 donations. I wait for you. Like, Alla-hoopa-rang the doorbell. No one there. So I go to 10,000 dimensions. I stick myself in this big black hole, and then I see this fat guy. He's like, you want to go in my big black hole? He's like, no. Apparently, someone has turned our lights a little down. Well, that always sucks. Really, one time the light turned off, like the whole city down. And then they got the same guy. He be like, yo, go in my big black hole. And they're like, oh, no. I would rather go through a black hole into the void. They're going, there, big black hole. The allies. Oh, wait. The lights turned back on. Shut the heck up. I'll be telling my big black hole story. So anyway, this guy had this big black hole. Like 10 feet tall, and it's wider, even more wider than a 10,000 block of clear, like it's long, like you can fit a Pacquiao in there, Oh my gosh, it's a wild hooper! I gotta catch it. So anyway, I see this guy, the same guy, and then you won't come in my van. Oh my gosh. It's, you know what? So anyways, this guy, the same guy, again, he knocked down my camera, just like that. He knocked down my camera. I be like, there, GoPro. And then, wait. What's this great ball doing here? This doesn't even look like a real one. It's soft as us. Fletchling? What's wrong with you? So anyways, shut up, Hoopa. That guy, he mean like you, he brown. He brown just like you. Yeah. Fletchling? I had crippling depression. Guys, I need to tell you something. Do it!
Yeah.
So anyway,
Guys, I don't feel so good. Wow, they both just rickrolled every single one of us.
who cares about that? Anyway, you know that black hole? I see Octopus. He come in. He shit like like that private part that attached to a boy, thing, like you peas with it. I see he shit like that. He shit so hot, like he so hidden.
I don't really think that was an Ultra Beast. I think that guy has something wrong with him.
Okay, so anyways, I heard this guy. So he like pink and purple. He wearing donuts everywhere, and then he telling stories for like 10 hours.
I think I know who it is.
So anyway, he driving with the guy, and then he ties so much. The guy, he drives it. He flew up. He going to there. He going to his ring. He take his donut. He going there. He see like the horrible thing. Don't even know what he see. I don't even know what he see.
So you're telling me that you don't even know what you...
Nah. He's a different person. I don't tell story that much. I don't really do that. I prove it. See? I don't tell story that much. So anyways, this guy, he tells story for like almost a whole episode of Pokemon News. And I'm like, oh my gosh. And he talked the whole episode, episode 3. And then I go crazy. I'm like, this guy need to die.
Can I have one of your glazed donuts?
These are not glazed donuts. These are ring, bro.
Really? Hoopas are edible, right?
What?
Yeah, one time, I'll be up in the neighborhood, I'll be up in the neighborhood. I hear the hooper, and like, oh boy, I want some of that glazed donut. I could hear me hit. I take the donut off. I ate it till I melted, but then I melted it, and then inside I see a beautiful chocolate donut. Shaped like, it's shaped like, I don't know, it's shaped like a donut, cause it was shaped like a triangle. Donut shaped like triangle, you know that, right? Anyways, let's get away from that crap fest before we all die of bleach and cancer. Anyways, our news for today is we on our security cameras we have seen a hoopa talking so much in a taxi that the driver immediately grabbed his backup bleach and then killed himself, and the hoopa flew out, and then he went to the radio, hacked into it, and then he made everyone listen to a stupid story of him seeing this fat guy with a black hole. That's all the news for today. I think that's a little too juicy. That's what she said.